Mastering the art of derivatives trading in the Bitcoin market, the secrets revealed. Hey folks, Ryan here. Are you tired of the same old boring investment strategies that just don't seem to cut it in today's volatile Bitcoin market? Well, buckle up because I'm about to reveal the secrets to mastering the art of derivatives trading in the world of cryptocurrency. This is some serious, next-level stuff, so you're gonna want to watch this video all the way to the end, trust me. You see, the world of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is a wild and unpredictable beast, and if you're not using the right tools, you're just not gonna be able to tame it. That's where derivatives trading comes in, my friends. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal that can help you ride the waves of the crypto market and come out on top. Now, I know what you're thinking. Derivatives. Isn't that some complicated financial mumbo-jumbo that's only for the big-shot Wall Street types? Well, let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Derivatives trading is actually a pretty straightforward concept, and with the right guidance, even us regular Joes can get in on the action. First and foremost, let's talk about the basics of derivatives trading. In the world of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the main types of derivatives you'll encounter are futures contracts and options. Futures contracts are essentially agreements to buy or sell a specific amount of a cryptocurrency at a predetermined price and date in the future. Options, on the other hand, give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price within a certain time frame. Now, you might be wondering, okay, Ryan, that sounds all well and good, but how the heck do I actually use these derivatives to my advantage? Well, my friend, that's where the real magic happens. By using derivatives, you can not only hedge your bets against the volatility of the Bitcoin market, but you can also use them to amplify your gains. For example, let's say you think the price of Bitcoin is going to skyrocket in the next few months. You could buy a call option, which would give you the right to purchase Bitcoin at a lower price than the current market rate. If your prediction is correct and the price does go up, you can exercise your option and make a tidy profit. On the flip side, if you think the price is going to drop, you could sell a put option, which would give the buyer the right to sell you Bitcoin at a predetermined price. If the price does indeed drop, you can buy the Bitcoin at the lower price and make a killing. But wait, there's more. Derivatives trading also allows you to take advantage of leverage, which means you can control a much larger position in the Bitcoin market with a relatively small amount of capital. Now, I know what you're thinking. Leverage. Isn't that a risky business? And you'd be right, my friend. Leverage can be a double-edged sword, and if you're not careful, it can lead to some serious losses. But if you know what you're doing and you use it responsibly, leverage can be a game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Ryan, but how do I actually get started with derivatives trading in the Bitcoin market? Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you might think. One of the best places to start is by signing up with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange like Binx. When you register on Binx, make sure to use the referral code 911 to get started. Binx offers a wide range of derivatives products as well as a user-friendly platform and top-notch customer support. But before you dive in headfirst, it's crucial that you do your research and understand the risks involved. Derivatives trading can be a complex and volatile game, and it's not for the faint of heart. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the various types of derivatives, the mechanics of how they work, and the potential risks and rewards. And remember, my friends, the key to success in the world of derivatives trading is to stay disciplined, keep a cool head, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you can do that, then the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency derivatives can be your oyster. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unlock the secrets of derivatives trading and start dominating the Bitcoin market. Just remember to use that referral code 911 when you sign up with Binx, and let's get this show on the road, shall we?